Okay, movie review time. The Martian from 2015, another Ridley Scott masterpiece. The production values in this movie are spectacular, so I want to recognize Simon Kinberg, Ridley Scott, Michael Schaefer, and Mark Huffam. The budget was 108 million. It did quite well at the box office, 630.6 million. Starring Matt Damon in the starring role. There's also Jessica Chastain, Mission Commander. Kristen Wiig and Jeff Daniels also in supporting roles at NASA. A science fiction film which takes place on Mars in fictional 2035. The Ares 3 mission at the time was on Mars, exploring the planet. They were on day 18 of 31-day mission. A large dust storm threatens to topple over their rocket, called an MAV. So the mission is abandoned. As they evacuate, astronaut Mark Watney, played by Matt Damon, is hit with debris, and he's presumed deceased. The crew leaves him behind. Watney awakens after the storm to find himself injured, low on oxygen. He returns to the crew habitat. At this point, he realizes they've taken off and he's alone. He heals from his injuries, and while he's doing that, he documents the journey. There is quite a bit of story that I'm going to leave out with regards to the middle part of the movie, but unable to communicate with Earth, he realizes that his only chance of rescue is the next mission, which will be arriving in 4 years. He begins to grow vegetables, make water, explore Mars himself, looking for space debris. On Earth, they notice movement on the planet. Satellite imagery lead them to believe that Watney is alive. Not giving too much away, but the rescuing Watney becomes the focus of NASA mathematicians and engineers. Watch this movie on a big screen, the biggest screen you own. I don't know if they'll put it back into theaters, so that opportunity might be lost, but it's a big, bold movie, needs a big screen, sound up high, big bowl of popcorn. 2015 was a strong year for movies, and this was one of the better ones. So I would definitely watch this. If you're a sci-fi buff, this has to be on your list. If you're just a Matt Damon fan, he's fantastic in this movie, so go ahead and watch it. Spend wisely, friends.